Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Login In. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log into your Aeroplan account. To do so, first you'll have to go to your preferred web browser. Here, I'm using Google Chrome for now. Then, on the top URL box, you may go and search for aircanada.com/ca, then press enter. This will directly take you to the website. Now, before beginning your login procedure, you will have to first make sure that you have created an account here before. If you haven't created an account before, you will be unable to log in to it. If you have, then you may proceed and then click on the sign in option at the top right corner of your screen, right below the search text box. Once you put your pointer at sign in, a drop down appears where you're given two options: to join Aeroplan and to sign in. If you don't have an account yet, you may click on the Join Aeroplan button above, then enter your details, follow the prompts, and then create an account and join Aeroplan. However, if you do have an account and you want to log into it, you can just click on the sign in button. Once you click on the sign in button, you will be directly taken to the login portal where you will have to enter your Aeroplan number or email and your password. You may enter your Aeroplan number or email in the first text box. Here, I'm entering my email for now. Then, on the second text box, you will have to enter your password. In any case, if you forget your password, you may click on the Forgot Password link right below the sign in button. Now, after you make sure you filled in both your details correctly, then you can click on the sign in button. This will simply log you into your Aeroplan account. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.